Hey guys, so I just wanted to give y'all a quick update. So, I was living in an apartment. I lived in that apartment for like 5 years. I've always been looking for a house for maybe about a year and a half. And my lease was coming to another end, and I thought I was gonna have to redo it yet again. But we actually got approved for a house for rent. So the past 2 days have been absolutely crazy because we moved whole apartment of 5 years worth of stuff in 2 days. It was exhausting. Thank God my best friend was there to help because we wouldn't have been able to do it regardless. But on the bright side, I am living in a house for the first time in my entire life. I grew up in a camper with my grandparents, and after that, it's just been apartments. So I've never actually lived in a house. So this is actually really, really exciting. So a couple new things are changing for me, and I'm so excited. So let me take you guys up and I'll show you. Normally in my other apartment, or in my apartment, I would be filming in my living room. I was completely cramped. I did not have any space. Every time I would film, I would have to set up everything, film, and break it all down. And it was just so much work, like so much work. It would discourage me sometimes from having to film, even though I wanted to. The setup and the takedown process, it was a lot. So with my new house, I actually have a beauty room. I actually have a beauty room, and it's a hot mess right now. So you can see we're just moved in. So yeah, this is my new beauty room. I have some ideas for it. I can't wait to get it set up so I don't have to constantly break it down. And I have amazing natural light, which I did not have that in my apartment. The way my apartment was set, no natural light came in my living room at all. There wasn't a ceiling light, so it was literally like a dungeon. This is the natural light in my beauty room. Like, I don't even really need my ring lights anymore. It's kind of exciting, but sometimes I film at night, so of course I'll keep them. But even the room has a light above. So like, that might not be a lot to some people, but for me, that's freaking huge. So yeah, I know I was supposed to have a Halloween video up today, and we were going to do self-installation for Comcast, which normally you just hook up the cords and you're good to go. Well, first of all, they didn't even transfer my equipment, which I found that out last night when we tried to hook everything up so I could edit my video and get it up today. Then we discovered that nothing works. So we actually have to hire somebody to come install and set up our cable and internet. So that's going to happen at like 3 to 5 today. So either one of two things are going to happen. Either they come today, everything works, it's going to be good, I can try and get a video up Sunday, or I can or I can move it to Monday and start fresh. So let me know down in the comments below if you guys want my first Halloween video Sunday or Monday. I would really appreciate that because I already have 2 filmed. I have a whole lot more in store. It's just with the move and the craziness, I haven't been able to, get to it, but I promise I got good things coming your way. Oh God, you guys, I'm so excited. Yes. So that is what's going on with me. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend, and I will see you guys soon. Love y'all. Bye.